Have you ever wondered what the universe is truly made of? Welcome to the world of antimatter, the most mysterious and powerful substance known to science. Get ready to have your mind blown as we explore antimatter, from its bizarre properties to its potential to revolutionize our world. Okay, let's get down to the cosmic brass tacks. What exactly antimatter? Picture this. It's like looking in a mirror, but instead of seeing your reflection, you see your opposite, your anti-self. Antimatter is just that, the opposite of normal matter. You know, the stuff you, me, planets, and pizzas are made of. Antimatter, it's got its own set of particles, antiprotons, antineutrons, and positrons. Same players, different jerseys. These antiparticles have the same mass but opposite charges. When matter and antimatter meet, boom, they annihilate each other in a burst of pure energy. Now you might be thinking, if antimatter is all around, why haven't I tripped over an anti-rock lately? Well, here's the thing. Antimatter is extremely rare in our neck of the woods. It's not just hanging out in your backyard. Antimatter is produced in very small amounts during high-energy events. Think cosmic rays slamming into Earth's atmosphere, the fury of a lightning strike, or even in some nuclear reactions. But we humans, being the curious species we are, have found ways to create our own antimatter. We're talking about giant atom smashers like the Large Hadron Collider. These behemoths accelerate particles to nearly the speed of light and then smash them together, creating a shower of particles, including, you guessed it, antimatter. So, we've established antimatter is rare and hard to make, so what's all the fuss about? Why should we care about something that seems straight out of science fiction? Well, hold on to your hats because antimatter has the potential to be a game changer. First up, medical marvels. We're already using positrons in PET scans to diagnose diseases like cancer by revealing the metabolic activity of cells. But here's where it gets really interesting. Imagine spaceships powered by antimatter soaring through the cosmos at unimaginable speeds. Just a tiny amount of antimatter could release a tremendous amount of energy, making interstellar travel a real possibility. And it doesn't stop there. Antimatter could hold the key to solving one of the biggest mysteries in cosmology. Why is there more matter than antimatter in the universe? Now, before we get too carried away with dreams of antimatter-powered spaceships, let's talk about the elephant in the room. As much as we'd love to harness the power of antimatter, there are some serious hurdles we need to overcome. The first challenge is, well, making the stuff. Producing antimatter is incredibly difficult and ridiculously expensive. We're talking about billions of dollars to create even a gram of the stuff, which brings us to the next big hurdle: storage. We can't just stuff antimatter in a regular container. We need special magnetic traps to keep antimatter suspended and isolated from regular matter, preventing any unwanted explosions. These traps are incredibly complex and require a lot of energy to maintain. Antimatter isn't just a scientific curiosity, it's also captured our imaginations in the realm of science fiction. From the explosive power of antimatter weapons in movies to the warp drives of starships, antimatter has become a staple of our sci-fi fantasies. While these depictions might seem far-fetched, they highlight the incredible potential of antimatter and its hold on our collective imagination. While we're still a long way from using antimatter to power starships or create superweapons, the research and advancements in antimatter science are paving the way for an exciting future. Who knows what incredible discoveries await us as we continue to unlock the secrets of this mysterious substance. Antimatter is one of the most fascinating topics in physics, a perfect blend of science fact and science fiction. It holds the key to revolutionary energy sources and deeper understanding of the universe. So, what do you think? Could antimatter change the world someday? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing science content. See you in the next video.